So first we want to actually assemble the sunshade. So we want to get out all of our pieces. We're going to have two of our what we call bows. Then we're going to have our actual sunshade itself. We'll have 2 brackets, 2 U-bolts, 4 nuts, 4 washers. Now we're only going to be working right now with the bows itself and with the sunshade. And for that, we are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. So what we're going to do is unfold our canopy here. Now what we're looking at here is the front side here at the top, and our rear side is going to be the one with the tags. Now what we want to do first is take our piece here that has the ends on it. As you can see here, we have these plastic ends, and we want to feed this through our rear of the sunshade, just like so. Then we can grab the next piece of our shade here, which is going to be this a lot larger loop. This is what's going to go in the front, and we want to start putting it through the front side of our sunshade. Just like that there. Now, once we've got both of those bows fed through, one thing we may have to do is change the orientation here of our fitting on the front bow. And to do that, you can see how this is just really loose here. All this has is right on top here has a set screw that's going to take a size 3 Allen wrench. We can simply loosen that up, but we want these facing down whenever we attach them to our rear bow here. We also want to take our straps here. These are going to be our tension straps. They are going to have a loop on top. We want to make sure and feed them over our rear bow here so that we can add that tension later on. And then now what we can do is we can simply go ahead and attach our 2 pieces here. Taking those screws, those Phillips head screws, we're going to attach both sides of our bows here. And just tighten that up. We'll spin it around, get our other loop placed onto our rear bow here. We want to get our connection made here. Now, once that's made, you can go ahead and pull this out tight, making sure that it is nice and tight there, and then we can tighten down on our set screw here, making sure to keep that in place, and then do the same thing on the other side. Now, keep in mind this next part is going to vary because this sunshade here will fit either a Z9, it'll fit Z5 series mowers and Z7 series mowers. It will not fit a Z997. This is going to be part number LPA11548, so you can look that up and see exactly which models it fits. But whenever we go, after we have it assembled, what we want to do is we want to set this up over our ROPS system just like so, because we are going to be using that ROPS as part of our mount. But then we need to find here on the shade and on our ROPS where our brackets are going to mount up. So this is going to be different, like I said, on every mower. So we really have to use some discretion here when putting these together. It's going to take it a little looking, but once we have this up and into place, what we're looking to do is add our brackets. Now our brackets look like this. They're going to mount to the side of the machine. This longer hook here is going to hook in to your tube of your shade and then mount to the side of your bracket with the U-bolt and the nuts that are provided. So this will be different on any model that you're putting this on, but for instance, these would mount right here. And then as you can see, once we mount this up, we've got that sunshade, and then you have this bottom hook right here that's going to mount onto the hook of this bracket so that then you could pull the tension out of that system once we have that hooked onto our bracket. So right there is how this would mount. Like I said, this will be different on every single machine. With a different system, you're going to have a different style of ROPS, whether it's a Z5, Z7, Z9, but all the same concept. Once you have that bracket on, you'd simply go around your ROPS with a U-bolt, put that through on either side, mount your nuts, and then you're good to go. And then just like that, you've got an easy and simple solution for the sun for your Z-Track mowers. Like I said, all the way from the Z9s down to the Z5s, anything with that rollover protection system that we can mount these U-bolts and brackets to, we can have that sun protection. So just remember, part number to this is LPA11548, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, I just ask that you would hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you're needing any John Deere parts at all, make sure to go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.